Well, folks, I'm about worn out. I've been here for several hours today, and I have not set the world on fire, but I have found some clad coins and some other things. We'll take a look here. As you can see, I found a silver-plated fork. Looks pretty old. Leg to a stove. Looks like a bullet. My favorite is the back of a pocket watch. Been nice to find the whole thing. Some other doodads here. Looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quarters. Several stinking Lincolns. 1 wheat penny. And some other stuff. But I have no idea. Anyhow, I had a good time today. It was good to get out, get some exercise, some fresh air, enjoying this beautiful weather. Y'all have a good day.